side.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hoping you're doing fine. Personally, I'm good, and I'm just here, just saying hi. Yeah, because nothing gives me joy like seeing Gabriel amelala, amekula, amelala. I can now have my alone time. Well, cause let me tell you guys, saa zingine it's exhausting. Well, motherhood is not easy. Mostly kama uko solo, it's you're all alone, it's you and you alone, and it's not easy, it's tiring and exhausting. But at least finally she's asleep and I can have my alone time. I can watch a movie. Let's see what we can watch right now. I want to watch a movie before niende nilale pia. Yeah, but this nafurahianga these times, these moments, being alone, just you and yourself and your God. Yeah. Anyway guys, let's see what you can watch. I feel like nitawatch nini, Pop the Balloon or Find Love. Okay, by then niwaulize guys, do you trust this thing? Like, is it genuine ama is it scripted? Because me kuna zenye naonaga ni scripted. The only one I trust, the only one I feel like it's genuine ni ya Alet and BM. Hizi zingine naonaga kama ni scripted. Kwanza kuna ingine nimewatch hapa juzi, like was it last month, 1 month ago ama 1.5 months ago, a lady matched with a guy and then 2 months later the girl gets engaged to another guy, and I was like, na si umematch na mse mwingine hapa juzi tu. And the way this girl and this guy who engaged her, wenye walikuwa nakaa, they don't look like watu wamefall in love recently. It's like a grown love. Do you know what a grown love is? Like, ni love imesukuma masiku. Huwezi sema ati wamepatana saa hiyo and then they got engaged. No, it's like hiyo ni relationship imekuwa. And I was like, na si umematch na jamaa mwingine tu juzi. And that's how I started doubting, hii kitu inakuanga scripted. And not only that one, kuna mwingine bado niliona alimatch and then few months later naona akifanya harusi na jamaa mwingine. Anyway guys, enough of my talking. See you tomorrow. Sema hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say, how are you? What are you doing?
Gave you all that I could give, but it wasn't enough. Oh, tried to show me how to live when I was not. And why did I never listen when you would listen to me and make the wrong decisions, resisting the help I need. Oh, I know I could have done better. Oh, to keep you next to me. They say to blame it on the weather. Oh, hell no. I could have done better. 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 To keep you next to me.
Tried to give the best of it, but it was coming undone. Oh, every choice filled with regret, till the night we were done. So sick and tired of trying to listen, but feeling so misunderstood. Every word and
here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in distant sky when I'm on the other side. Take me back to the life that we once knew, when the walls weren't closing in like they are now. Cause it's been too many years since California. I wish I could get there, I don't know how. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're